In this video, we will cover the next mechanism related to packages, that is nothing but defining a package. Okay, so what does it means defining a package? Means how to create a package. Before that, we have to study some basic meaning or mechanism related to packages, that is there is some special syntax that we have to follow while using the packages, and that is nothing but there is a strict keyword, that is nothing but the import. Then you have to specify the package name, and then the next would be the class name, and you have to apply the semicolon. Or there is a substitute for this mechanism, and that is nothing but you can use the method like import directly dot. Suppose you are not having a subclass name including in that package, then you can directly write like import dot package name dot star. Star is nothing but all the classes in that package, and this is the specific one class. When you are specifying the star, it means it contains all the classes of that package, and specifying separately dot class name is nothing but this method is used only for that particular class name or that particular mechanism. This is all about, we have talked about the standard packages of the system. Now, we can define or design our own packages. So, how to create such a mechanism means how to create our own packages. That is, what is the syntax? For that, we have to use the name like package. Then you have to specify the package name and then apply the semicolon. Then this is the standard keyword package. Then here is the package name of your own choice. Then you have to define different classes belonging to that packages. Means for example, public class, for example, your package name. Okay. Means this package name you are creating as a class and giving the definition of it. Now we will get the detailed mechanism behind these public class packages or this definition part. Before that, I will give one example like how you are creating your own packages means for what purpose. Suppose you are having the package that is known as a package, and that is having the name sports. Okay, then semicolon. This is the package, you have to specify it in detail later. So to define the name of the package, it is compulsory to keep in mind that the name of the package is a case sensitive. Means if you are using the sports, like all letters would be in a small case, and if you are using it like a sports in capital letters, then it would not be allowed here because it is a case sensitivity. Means uppercase and lowercase letters would be treated as a different one. Another important thing is that dot class file must be loaded in a directory that has the same name as a package. And this directory should be a subdirectory of the directory where classes that will import the packages are located. I will explain it in detail. That is, you have to specify the package. Means suppose there is a one folder like bin of your JDK. If you are storing this package class into this folder, then the subclass using that package means these are the two classes or two programs created by you yourself, not any standard ready-made mechanism. But when you are using these packages, they should be at the same place. Means when the class file of it is generated, it would be easily accessible by another program or another class. So it is the mandatory condition for all the packages to be in the same folder. Next mechanism is that we can define the hierarchy of packages. Means for example, we can create the mechanisms like package is the standard keyword for using the packages. Then you have to specify the another different packages, that is package and their sub packages. For example, package 1 dot package 2 so on. and then you can specify the different classes also. So this is the mechanism of defining the packages. Now, while creating our own packages means these are not provided by the system. On demand, we are creating them for the user. Then we have to follow some steps. For that, we will follow the steps like what is the first? Declare package at the top of the file. Means you have to declare package at top. How to declare it? Like package keyword, and you have to specify the package name. Then what is the step 2? Define the public class which is placed in the package. For example, the package is giving the collective mechanism of the different classes, and you have to specify at the next step the public class which is specified in your packages. Means the class you are designing should be public always, that is the public class, and then you have to write the class name. Then you have to give the definition of this class. Coming to the next, you have to create a subdirectory under the directory where the main source files are stored. Means you have to create a separate directory for the, you have to create a subdirectory under the directory where the main source files are stored. You have to create the two separate directories, one within the another. What is the next step? That is, store the listings as the class name.java file in the subdirectory created and compile the file. This create a .class file in the class subdirectory. Okay. This is the collectively mechanism behind the different packages used in the Java programming. Means this is the procedure of creating our own packages while developing any program using the Java program. Thank you so much.